Speedography, volume, second, exercise 28, speed 100 word per minute, start. What has been given in the budget, which has been discussed here, is that in many social sectors, education, health, irrigation, agriculture sector, wherever we need more funds. We know this is the feeling of everybody, that we really need more funds for this. But again, in all these areas, we have given less than what we had given before. Budget at glance talks about agriculture and allied activities, rural development, irrigation and flood control, energy, social services, etc. Where there is drought prone area, you have to go for dairy farms. There is a scope for expenditure fisheries in our country. We have to give more funds to these areas. Para. Sir, as you know, Odisha, sometimes Andhra also, is one of the states which are always prone to natural calamities. Every year we are facing either flood or cyclone or super cyclone or drought, but there is no mention, sir, in the budget about the disaster management, how to make this for a state like Odisha. You had promised that you would give after this budget. This is our due. An interministerial committee has visited our state and they have recommended this fund. Sir, if you think of Odisha in 18 district out of 30 district in our state, left wing extremism is there. Sir, I have been writing to our Honorable Finance Minister for opening of rural bank branches in 4,000 unbanked Gram Panchayats. Para. Sir, the finance bill covers three important aspects: the economic survey, the 14th Finance Commission recommendations, and the finance bill itself. The economic survey is a document marked by clarity. It is forward looking and provides a sense of confidence in the India growth story. However, overlooks some pitfalls or response to potential unanticipated events. The 14th Finance Commission recommendations are significant reforms in the sharing of revenue between the states and the center, reflecting the progressive maturity of the Indian state, and are being described as a hallmark of cooperative federalism. This coincides with the dismantling of the Planning Commission as an instrument for planned investment by the centre and its replacement by the Niti Aayog. This shift is to acknowledge the larger role of the National Development Council, increase in share of allocation of revenues to the states, and phasing out of centrally sponsored schemes. The budget was expected to be bold and dramatic, but it